Etiennette, and the big day is finally here. Hey guys, it's Etiennette, and the big day is finally here. Etiennette Prudhomme Goes Outside Day. If you want to see how I planted all of these sunflowers and got them to grow from a seed to a plant in one day, then keep on watching. Let's get to it. Okay, so first I used a bunch of forks to mark where I planted the seeds. These aren't actually necessary because the plants pop up so quickly, but I decided to use them anyway. Stab the fork into the ground like you're stabbing a tissue. Then, dig a small hole, grab a seed, and plant it. Cover the seed with dirt. Don't worry about planting more than one seed in each hole because you'll know right away if the plant decides to grow. All of my seeds worked, as you can see, which was really nice. The best thing about these super fast growing sunflowers is that you don't have to do a long, hard day of worry and then wonder if you're ever gonna get anything.
Do another double one, please.
I chose to plant my sunflowers in a semicircle with 2 alternating rows. I think they'll look beautiful in a few days when they start flowering. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Come back next week for another video, and next year on June 16th for another Etiennette Prudhomme Goes Outside Day. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed, comment down below what is your favorite flower, and subscribe to see more videos. See you guys next week.